Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today I have bought my first Manthey kit for my GT4. So it was not the biggest kit they had in their portfolio, but it was a good starter kit. So this is what it's all about. It's about tow hooks. Or this product is from Manthey, and there is two of them in the package. There is a Allen key as well in the package, so you can mount it on the car. One is for the front, the longer one is for the front, and the other one is for the rear. So the tow hook is a product that you really don't want to use, but you want to have it because it's cool. It looks cool on the car. Hopefully you will never use it because the tow hook helps you if you crash the car or go off track. This will help you to get out on the track again. So this is very common on the racetrack. And the company is Manthey. Manthey, they are very, very famous to produce racing products for Porsche. And some years ago, I think Porsche actually owns 50% of the market shares in the company Manthey. That means that Porsche can sell Manthey products directly from the Porsche dealer. That's a lot of stuff you can buy: suspension, brakes, aerodynamics. They do more or less everything to make your car ready for professional racing as well. But as for me, as an amateur, I bought my first kit, and this is the Manthey kit that I bought that can help me out on the track if I will be in a bad situation. So let's mount the Manthey tow hook on the GT4. And to do that, it's quite simple. You only push here where the tow hook normally fits. If you need to tow the car, everything's in the instruction. So you push it on the upper side, then it loosens up, and there is a small security piece or plastic strip that you need to disconnect. Then this small piece are out of the way. Keep it safe so you don't lose it. Then you take the tow hook that says front, of course. Put it in here. And the threads are counterclockwise, so you have to screw it in against the clock. There it is. And it's very important to tighten it really hard. You don't want to lose this tow hook when you're running on the track. So this is very important. I experienced that last year actually, where something was passing my car And afterwards we realized that it was actually a tow hook that went off its threads on another car, and could be a disaster if you got that one into your window. So for the safety, please tighten it really hard so you don't lose it on the track. Important. Like that. Then it's there. Now we go to the back and do the same thing there, and then we are ready for the track. Tomorrow it's time. I hope you like the content. Please like us. It will help me out a lot to do more of this. And yeah, see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.